Got me on my knees lately. $1 million read lately. Dude, cool setup, bro. Oh my goodness.
The roof at a Taco Bell.
Right, cool, yeah. You're good. That's crazy, bro. So we're going to Joshua Tree National Park and we're doing a Vansgiving. I'm just getting a little food before, but it's a Vansgiving, like 40, 50 other vans there of people that don't really have families. They're out on the road. So it's gonna be fun having a Thanksgiving with other people that are traveling. It's gonna be interesting. I'm excited. Let's get ready. Look at the van right there looking snazzy as hell.
Here's my story, it's sad but true. It's about a girl that I once knew. She took my love, then ran around with every single guy in town. Hey, hey, whoa, hey, whoa, whoa, la, 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 whoa.
Happy Thanksgiving, man.
What's your name?
Luca, what's your name?
Luca Benji.
Benji, nice meeting you. Todo está listo, listo. Look at this. So many vans, bro. So many vans. There are about at least like 200 vans out here. And there's gonna be like parties, there's gonna be fires. I'm excited, it's gonna be fun as hell. Second that I came in, people said hi, like I already got with like a group. Everybody's cool as hell here. Everybody's from other places like Colorado, Arizona, and we're in the middle of California. Dude, cool setup, bro. Oh my goodness. Hellos. Hello. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, look at them.
Hello. Oh my goodness.
With the grease on his head?
No, when was that? Hello, hello.
Yeah, his hair has been spiky and smells like bacon ever since dinner time yesterday.
There was grease on his hair?
Yeah, he found some, I don't know, I'm guessing some grease was dripping somewhere and he was licking it off the ground and it just kept dripping.
Yeah. He's greasy as hell on top. Wait, let me smell you, dude. Come here, come here, come here. Let me smell you. Oh, bro, yeah, a little greasy and bacon-ish.
Oh, the shampoo didn't do shit, did it?
It did a little bit.
Come here, come here. I do not care.
Oh my, it's big as hell.
Yep.
Wait.
Dude, also all electrical.
This is crazy, bro.
But what I did is I got the printouts of like the company who made this build. It's called Wheeled Coach.
Uh-huh.
And I tried to figure out what wires did what, and I switched everything that was.
This is cool though.
That was.
And this is a whiteboard? Come on.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
These are my trading statistics.
That's cool.
On the roof at a Taco Bell. Like one of the best teachers.
How much like they don't use their platform? I feel like I use it a lot.
I use it all the time. That's like the main reason I like haven't really thought of
Like flat land.
Play the guitar on the MTV. That ain't working, that's the way you do it. Money for nothing and your chicks for free. Now that ain't working, that's the way you do it. Let me tell you, damn guys ain't dumb. Maybe get a blister on your little finger. Maybe get a blister on your thumb. We got to install microwave ovens, custom kitchen deliveries. We got to move these refrigerators.
Yeah, okay, alright.
Because when I got the flatbed, it was like, okay, I'll hold the side
This
storage.
looks so fucking cool.
So I have a wood stove, propane heater, a diesel heater. So I'm gonna have the diesel heater like running. That'll be my heat tonight.
Dude, this looks like the craziest setup.
Yeah, been around. Deer that I have.
Oh, we have a deer in here? Sick.
There's a hunt. So there's like a hunting side. There's like a fishing side, right?
Dude, look at these buff ass dudes. Fly fish. Dude, look at this guy fly fishing. That one's awesome.
Bro, this is the coolest thing I've seen in
this
a
is so
while.
cool.
Holy shit. Drop. Drop. He's getting good. Come on. She, it's a she? Yeah. Damn it.
She's so sore.
Live guitar on the background.
Right, some good guitar.
Good music.
Dude, this looks beautiful with that background. Yeah, looks nice. This is the kitchen right here, Hell's Kitchen. But can Gordon Ramsay do it in a car like you, though? Here's the question. I don't know. Oh, shit.
Hot as fuck.
Thank you, bro. Benji on the road.
Bro, this is good.
Oh yeah.
Thank you, dude.
Do that.
Got me on my knees lately, $1 million relay line. Darling, won't you ease my worry mind? Make the best of the situation, and a man will let you down. Like a fool, I fell in love with you. You tore my whole world upside down. Layla, got me on my knees, Layla. $1 million bleed, Layla. But darling, won't you ease my worry mind?
Tricky. It's tricky, dude.
We're going off though. That was fun, man.
Was a day tripper, Sunday driver again, into the song to find out that I found out. Day tripper, yeah. Day tripper, yeah.
That's cool, bro.
You know this Zeppelin song?
That sweet mama let me be her kid. She said, now, you might get hurt if you don't keep it here. I said, I know my baby. Well, if I see her in the dark,
my favorite.
You're so good.
That was good, man.
Were you born playing this shit?
No, man.
Your mother's
Yeah, it
womb?
came out.
Look fucking-
The truth is, I've been playing
born
this
this way.
guitar as long as he's been alive. So
Yeah.
I'm
That's the
turning
truth
into an
right
old man.
there.
I'm fucking 36.
I gotta catch up, bro.
Dude, for your age though, you're pretty good, man. I mean, honestly, yeah.
Don't lie to
How
me.
old are you, Luca?
23.
No fucking way. Oh my god.
How old are you guys?
I'm 34.
Okay. Okay.
I'm 32.
All right. Yeah, we're on the same market except for you.
I'm
You're a
getting
little
there.
younger.
Dude, I
Yeah.
thought you were our age. That's so fucking cool.
Yeah. I stand in this thing?
Yeah, if you keep it.
That's a tight squeeze. Wow,
Yeah,
I just
you-
put my flip flops.
Yeah, you don't need
Look
to
how
do that.
money, bro.
Oh wow.
Damn it.
Oh good.
So girl, what you gonna do? Can't you see it that I'm falling for you? You got me going crazy and you know it's true. Playing silly games without me knowing the rules. Now girl, I know you've been a little confused. You can't decide which guy to choose. No other man can love you like I do. And deep inside you know you love me too, Lord. I'm yours, pretty girl. Save me from this world of confusion. Lady, can't you see you were sent to me for a reason? I'm yours, pretty girl. Save me from this world of confusion. Lady, can't you see you were sent to me for a reason?
Yeah, I didn't really stick to the thing as well. Like, after I put the costume on that, like, I should put that on more, like, party, like, 'cause I have a lot of ones that I'm like, I can't let us coworkers.
Dude, I got my wine over here. We've been hanging out, just meeting some cool ass people. People that are like, dude, I've been on the road for 4 or 5 years. I'm like, how have you been doing this for 4 or 5 years? Like, it's a hard life, but also like it's a privileged life because you get to travel, you get to see everything. You get to place a home anywhere you want it to be. So I've just been, dude, people's stories are just so cool out here, and it's been fucking awesome. I'm fucking dying. Dying. Drank way too much. Too many in. This event was really like the best thing ever. But yeah, we go on to Vegas this week. So Vegas video coming this week. The Hangover Part 4. Get ready for that. Thanks for watching.